When you think of the Samsung Galaxy S Pen, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Is it the smooth writing experience, the ability to take notes on the fly, or perhaps its advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity? For years, the S Pen has been an iconic accessory for Samsung's flagship devices, but with the release of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's been some controversy. Specifically, the Bluetooth-powered Air Actions have been removed. Many users are upset about this, but the real question is, were these features ever as essential as they seemed? The Galaxy S Pen has always been much more than just a stylus. In fact, the Bluetooth functionality allowed for Air Actions, gestures that let you control your device remotely. With just a swipe or click, users could trigger the camera shutter, change slides in presentations, or even control music playback. This might sound impressive, but in reality, how often did you actually use it? The Air Actions feature was one of those things that sounded great on paper, but in everyday use it didn't have the widespread appeal that many expected. The thing is, while Air Actions have been cut, the core functionality of the S Pen remains unchanged. Users can still write, draw, and navigate with incredible precision and responsiveness, just as they always have. The pen's pressure sensitivity and accuracy are still top-notch, ensuring that artists, note-takers, and anyone who values a good stylus experience won't miss a beat. The only difference now is that the Bluetooth-powered remote gestures are no longer available. So why did Samsung make the decision to remove Air Actions from the S Pen? According to the company, it was simply a matter of low usage. They reported that fewer than 0.5% of Galaxy S24 Ultra users actually made use of the Bluetooth features. To put that into perspective, if Samsung sold 15 million units of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, only around 75,000 users would have engaged with Air Actions regularly. Given this small percentage, Samsung found that it didn't make sense to allocate resources to maintain this feature. Instead, the company has chosen to focus on other improvements that are more widely used and appreciated. From a business standpoint, this is a smart move. Samsung is a global leader in technology, and it has to be strategic with its resources. Features like Bluetooth-powered gestures require ongoing support, software updates, engineering efforts, and the physical components that go into making them work. If a feature isn't being widely used, it makes sense to cut it and put those resources towards something that will benefit more people. This isn't the first time that Samsung has faced backlash over removing features. When the company eliminated the infrared blaster, microSD card slot, and the 3.5mm headphone jack, many fans were upset, claiming it was the end of Samsung's innovation. However, sales continued to rise, proving that these removals didn't have the dramatic effect that some predicted. Samsung's decision to remove Air Actions may not be a deal-breaker for most users, especially when you consider the positives. The removal of these Bluetooth features helped make the Galaxy S25 Ultra slimmer and lighter. By cutting down on the extra components, Samsung could also keep production costs lower, which might have helped prevent any price hikes. It's clear that the company's leadership under TM Rowe is committed to focusing on real, meaningful innovation rather than nostalgia for features that have little impact on the majority of users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.
Are you ready for what could be Samsung's next big move in the smartphone market? Rumors are swirling about 3 upcoming A-series devices, the Galaxy S56, a 36, and a 26, and it looks like they're closer to launch than we might think. But what makes these devices worth paying attention to? Let's dive into the details that have everyone talking. Recent leaks and certifications have shed some light on these models, giving us a glimpse of their potential design, specifications, and even their launch timeline. Samsung seems to be positioning these phones to continue the legacy of their popular predecessors with upgrades that could make them stand out even more. The most exciting piece of news? The charging speeds of these devices, which have just been confirmed through a recent certification. Here's what we know so far. The Galaxy S56, a 36, and a 26 were recently spotted on the TÜV Rheinland certification list. This certification is often a strong indicator that a product is gearing up for an official release. According to the listing, the Galaxy S56 and A36 support charging speeds of 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, allowing for a maximum power output of 45 watts. For the Galaxy S26, the numbers are slightly lower, with 9 volts and 2.77 amperes, supporting up to 25 watts of charging speed. These figures suggest that Samsung is focusing on faster, more efficient charging, which has become a crucial feature for smartphone users today. But what's even more interesting is how the timing aligns with Samsung's usual product launch patterns. If we take a look at history, Galaxy S55 and A35 were officially released on March 11, 2025. With just over a month left for these devices to reach their one-year mark, it's highly likely that their successors, the Galaxy S56 and A36, will be announced soon. Samsung typically rolls out new versions of its A series smartphones around this time of year, making the launch of these new devices seem imminent. Now let's take a moment to consider what this could mean for the market. The A series has always been a sweet spot for those who want premium features at a mid-range price. With solid performance, sleek designs, and competitive pricing, these devices are often a go-to for users who want value without compromising on quality. If Samsung builds on the success of the A55 and A35, the A56, A36, and A26 could be game changers in their category. The confirmed charging speeds alone make them intriguing options. Faster charging isn't just a nice-to-have anymore, it's a necessity. In today's fast-paced world, being able to top up your battery quickly can make all the difference. Whether it's getting through a busy workday or staying connected during a long trip, features like 45-watt charging on the Galaxy A56 and A36 give users a significant edge. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A26 25-watt charging ensures that even the most budget-friendly option in this lineup doesn't lag too far behind. While the leaks haven't provided a complete picture yet, they do give us a good idea of what to expect. Samsung has always struck a balance between performance, design, and affordability in its A series, and there's no reason to believe this lineup will be any different. From better battery performance to likely camera upgrades, these smartphones could cater to a wide range of users. So, when can we expect to see them? If the certification timeline is anything to go by, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung announces these devices within the next month or two. The timing feels right, and with competitors constantly pushing the envelope, Samsung will want to keep its edge in the market. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel for all the latest news and updates on the tech world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung is on the verge of launching a highly anticipated mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy S56, and it's creating quite a buzz. With a slew of exciting certifications and leaks circulating, we're getting a clearer picture of what this device will offer. A major highlight is that the Galaxy S56 will come pre-installed with One UI 7 based on Android 15 right out of the box. Let's take a closer look at everything we know so far. Recently, the Galaxy S56 passed through the U.S. Federal Communications Commission certification process under the model number SMA 566E. This version is expected to be primarily available in markets across Asia and the Middle East. While certifications like this are common, one particular detail has stood out. A screenshot from the phone's status information screen included in the certification document has revealed that the Galaxy S56 will run Samsung's One UI 7 interface. This confirmation adds to earlier reports that the phone will be powered by Android 15, offering users a fresh and upgraded experience right from the start. While leaks from sources like Geekbench had already hinted at Android 15, this FCC certification provides concrete evidence of One UI 7 integration. The new software brings a host of design and functional improvements, ensuring a smoother, more intuitive user interface for those looking for an efficient and enjoyable smartphone experience. As for the hardware, the Galaxy S56 is set to deliver impressive specifications. The phone will feature 5th-generation connectivity, making it a great choice for anyone who wants fast, reliable mobile internet. Additionally, Bluetooth version 5.3 will provide enhanced wireless performance, ensuring a stable and high-quality connection when using Bluetooth devices such as headphones, speakers, and even during file transfers. Charging speed is another area where the Galaxy S56 stands out. With 45-watt fast charging support, this smartphone is designed to top up your battery in a fraction of the time compared to many other devices in the same price range. Whether you need a quick recharge during a busy day or just want to get back to using your phone without waiting, this feature will be a game changer for many users. In addition to the Galaxy S56, the certification process has revealed that 2 other A-series models, the Galaxy S36 and Galaxy S26, are also in the pipeline. While details about these devices remain scarce, it's clear that Samsung is preparing to update its A-series lineup in a big way. The certifications suggest that these models could be launching soon, giving customers a wide range of options to choose from. Combining the latest software with top-tier hardware features, the Galaxy S56 looks like it will be a solid contender in a competitive mid-range market. Samsung's decision to include One UI 7, along with advanced features like 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and 45-watt fast charging, shows that the company is focused on delivering a device that meets the needs of today's smartphone users. For those considering a new phone, the Galaxy S56 offers an exciting package. With the latest version of Android, a seamless user interface, fast connectivity, and rapid charging, it's shaping up to be a great choice for those who want a reliable device that doesn't break the bank. What do you think of the Galaxy S56? Does its combination of advanced software and impressive hardware make it the perfect choice for your next smartphone? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all of Samsung's latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.